In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed YouTube videos in Microsoft OneNote, whether you're using the desktop or mobile app. Embedding videos directly into your notes can make your notebooks more interactive and allow you to reference tutorials, lectures, or other content without leaving OneNote. To start, open the YouTube video you want to embed and copy its URL from the browser address bar or the share button under the video. This URL is what OneNote will use to insert the video into your notes. Next, open your OneNote application, either on your desktop or mobile device, and navigate to the page where you want the video to appear. Make sure the page is fully loaded before proceeding, as this ensures that any content you add will sync properly across your devices. In the desktop app, go to the Insert tab at the top of the window. Look for the video option and then select Online Video. In the dialog box that appears, paste the YouTube URL you copied earlier. OneNote will automatically recognize it and embed the video player directly onto your page. You can then resize or move the video frame to fit your layout and organize your notes around it. For mobile users, the process is even simpler. Open the page where you want the video and tap the Insert button. Choose the link option and paste the YouTube URL. While mobile OneNote doesn't always display a fully interactive video player, it will show a clickable thumbnail that opens the video directly in YouTube when tapped. This still provides quick access to the content without disrupting your workflow. Once the video is embedded or linked, you can interact with it directly from your notes. On the desktop app, you can play the video without leaving OneNote, which is perfect for following tutorials while taking notes. On mobile, tapping the thumbnail will launch the YouTube app or browser, ensuring you can still view the content conveniently. Embedding YouTube videos in OneNote is a great way to combine multimedia resources with your notes, making your notebooks more informative, interactive, and organized. It's especially useful for study guides, project references, or training materials, helping you access content quickly and efficiently. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.